Today marks the beginning of a new journey, one that promises growth, empowerment, and excellence. At Premier Lifestyle, we believe that knowledge and skills is the foundation of success. And this club will serve as a beacon for innovation and professional development. Let's make this moment unforgettable. One of our senior executive partner, Mr. Jojo Sagaran, to share their thoughts on the importance of Premier Lifestyle.
I am here to talk about what really PLC is all about. How do we push the envelope and come up with new ideas? Better ideas na effective, efficient, yet duplicable and sustainable. We want something big, something that is bigger than us. We have to professionalize our career. We have to set new standards. Yes, we really want to change the face of the industry. We want to have a better way, the professional way, the premier way.
It is time to hear from another remarkable individual whose expertise and passion have been instrumental in driving the vision of this club. Let's give it up for Mr. Warren Trinidad.
What if you can expand your PLC organization worldwide without any language barriers? You can now master the skills anytime, anywhere. You can now leverage your potential, ensuring that your partners are thoroughly trained in the skills needed to build a massive PLC organization that generates unlimited cash flow and be a PLC professional.
Kailangan mo talagang panoorin, kailangan mo talagang seryosohin for you to understand what's in the hub. At least, ma-apply mo siya talaga para ma-master mo yung skills, especially yung 7 fundamentals.
We are professionals, we are business owners. So, minsan ang hirap magkaroon ng time ng Zoom kasi iba-iba pa rin po yung oras natin. But through this PLC Hub, I guarantee you guys, magiging professional tayo and the cash flow will follow. Ganun siya ka-powerful.
Alright, so this hub is designed to help our partners to elevate their skills and knowledge in a way that is more efficient, that has never happened before. So this would make our lives easier, not just for you, but for all of us.
Umattend ako sa isang training, nagbayad ng 20,000. Alam niyo kung ano yung itinuro doon? Ang itinuro lang sa amin is yung tinatawag na law of attraction. So anong nangyayari? Lahat kami walang skills. So yun yung kailangan natin lahat eh. Doon talaga tayo mag-invest.
Nag-guess yung ibig ko sabihin, imagine nyo, no? Kumita ako ng malaki, nagka-resulta ng malaki sa traditional na business natin, na ang market ko, Pilipino lang. Imagine mo, magkakaroon ka ng mga partners nasa ibang bansa. Yes! Grabe ito, mapakali. Grabe talaga.
Nagtataka kami, bakit may mga business partners tayo na hindi nakakaabot sa kanila yung tamang information? Hindi nakakaabot sa kanila yung tamang skills. Bakit pag tinignan ko sila, bakit ganon? Ba't sablay sila? Kasi that's the number 1 indicator kung ba't hindi sila kumikita eh. Yes? So nasasaktan po ako. Parang, ano kaya kailangan natin gawin? Ano yung dapat natin gawin? So lagi po namin pinag-prepare. always imagine this. Darating yung time, you will have your business partners from different parts of the world na kung ano yung natututunan mo dito, yun din yung matututunan nila.
So ngayon po ang talagang goal ko, maging professional sa ginagawa natin. Again, ang laki na po ng cash flow ko. Nag-rank 1 po ako dito sa Premier. Pero hindi pa po ganun kagaling yung skills ko. Nasusundan niyo ako? Magaling kasi ako mag-direct. Titanium, VIP, kaya ko yan. Ang problem ko, paano ko sila iduduplicate? Kung nanggigigil si Coach Chris, okay, mas lalo akong gigil ngayon kasi nagawa ko na, wala pa yung hub eh. Ngayon, gagawin ko plus yung hub ay malupit. Okay?
Nakita ko bakit hindi ko na-sustain yung pagiging top 10. Kasi ang mga naging partners ko before or that time is nasa mga malalayo. Nasa mga Visayas, Mindanao. So yun yung mga naging partners ko. So ang naging problema ko is duplication. Tama ba? Di ba kaya yung shinare sa akin ni Coach Warren tong PLC Training Hub? Sa totoo lang, sobrang na-amaze na kami. Kasi nakita ko, ito na yung isa sa mga solusyon, di ba, para masustain, sabi nga ng mga ESP kanina, para masustain mo, yung consistent, di ba, na cash flow na gusto mo. Tama po ba?
My name is Annabelle Foley. I live in Massachusetts. My background is I'm a registered nurse and also yung PLC, napakagrabe. I love it and hopefully I can do it, earn millions of dollars at makakatulong sa iba. Remember, the future is Premier.
Alright, so grabe, sobrang exciting, no? So kakatapos lang ng ating PLC launching, PLC Lab, sobrang, alam mo yun, amazing kasi globally talagang matatap na natin yung market connections. Kaya if I were you, mas maganda, samahan mo kami sa ating PLC Hub and of course, Premier Lifestyle.
So imaginein mo na hindi lang local yung ating market, but international na. So mag-join ka na dyan sa PLC Hub.
Importante talaga ngayon is mapagtulong-tulungan natin na ma-continuous natin yung loob ng PLC Hub. So yun lang, good luck po sa ating lahat.
So excited ako sa meron tayong PLC Hub kasi lahat ng lugar mapapasok natin, even if international partners natin, excited ako, no? At lahat kami excited na makasama namin kayo sa PLC Hub. Kaya see you.
We are excited about our future in Premier because
The future is Premier! Exciting future!